good morning everybody. Today is Saturday, May 25th, 2019, and we are driving up to a drone race in Orange County. So as it turns out, I actually made this video 2 or 3 weeks ago, but then I went to edit it and all the files were corrupted. So today we're gonna have a take 2, second try at it. Basically, I wanted to make this video to show people who don't know anything about drone racing kind of what it's all about. A lot of my friends and family, I'll be like, yeah, I'm into drone racing, and they're like, oh, what is that? So today's goal is to hopefully show you and explain to you a little bit what drone racing is. Right now it's about 7:20 a.m. We're driving up to Orange County, California, going up to this race, which is in a little town called Silverado. Hopefully we should be getting there around 8:40. Today's registration is between 8 and 9, so I should have plenty of time left, you know, a solid 20 minutes to get in there. Usually I'd be awake a lot earlier than this, but today's race is pretty close, so we're just gonna drive right up there. Okay, so it is about 8:35 a.m. right now. I just got to the road the field we're racing on is on. So we're going to be getting there, and the first thing up is going to be the tech inspection, which is basically we're going to break out all of our drones, take all the propellers off and everything, and we're going to show the race directors that our failsafe works properly, which is basically if you lose signal, you want to be able to show that your drone isn't going to do something it's not supposed to. And then they also check that your video is outputting the right amount of power, because if it's too high it can ruin other people's video feeds, and then if it's too low they won't be able to pick you up with the timing system. Alright, so right now it's about 9:30. We're about to do the track walk here. So basically what we're going to do is walk all around the track, and they'll show us what the race course is, and that way we have a physical representation in our head of what the course looks like. Okay, so it's about 10 a.m. right now. We're about to start open practice, which is just where there's a table lined up, and you can just put your drone down on the table in line, and whoever's up in line next gets to go ahead and practice the track. So we have about an hour to do so, and then we're going to take a lunch break here. Okay, so we've just finished up the first round of heated practice, which is where we're going to practice with the group of people we're going to be qualifying with. So after this, we'll have, I think, one more heated practice, and then we'll move into qualifiers. Okay, so now it's 1:15. We're about to start with qualifying. So basically we're going to get 3 runs, and the best 2 out of those 3 runs is going to decide which round you're going to be in. Oh, look at Jeff. What's he doing? What's this guy doing?
Oh, I have my goggles on.
Oh my gosh. What a goof. So yeah, qualifying is going to be 2 out of 3 rounds to decide which main event we're going to be racing in and who we're going to be racing against. Okay, so we finished up qualifying, and now we're on to the main events. So each event goes kind of like a ladder. So you've got like the D main, and whoever wins the D main gets to race in the C main, and then they get to race in the B main. And then the winner of the B main races in the A main. So I'm in the A main, so we're racing 3 times, and it's going to be your best 2 out of 3 runs in terms of placement is going to decide the winners of this event.
All right, first up, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Sorry. On those quads, here we go, on the tone in less than 5. And they're off.
What the hell?
Man, these guys are fast. We're gonna crank it through this.
Oh, what's happening? I guess this seems. Yeah, it's thinking like crazy.
And leaders on the over-under. Coming in the second chute gate.
Is this your voltage?
Emax into the dive gate. Through the dive gate onto the chicane. Coming around the front chute. Alright, we got Lappin with a 29-182, Q with a 32-07, R3 with a 31-69, T-Milk with a 33-23, and Limon with a 35-192. And those guys are all close together. Here comes the leader. Our leader Q with a 24, oh no, actually not. It was Lappin with a 24-31, Q with a 24-664, Kitty Milk with a 25-112, R3 with a 27-512, and Lamont with a 27-494.
45 seconds left. First.
Yeah, I'm
All right, we got Lappin with a 24-674, Q right there. There's only 3/10 of a second behind. Q with a 23-320, Kitty Milk with a 24-36, Lamont with a 22-282, and R3 with a 26-092. And by the time I get done announcing them, they're coming around for the next heat, next lap.
First, 15 seconds left.
Lavin with a 24.56. Lamar with a 21.87. Kenny with a 26.104. R3 with a 28.53.
I think, is that just you over, like, high charging the battery? Those two
Here we
things?
go.
I think, yeah. That's because you're pushing it around the edge. It got fine after a while.
Oh, somebody puts the game out.
Nice.
First lap and done.
Woo! Laughing. 5 laps, 2:10.
Wow, dude.
Second
Followed by Kenny Milk, 5 laps, 2:16. R3, 5 laps, 2:18. Jude, 5 laps, 2:22. Woo! That was screaming.
Dude, good
I
job.
can't even count that back.
All right, so we just finished up the last main. I think I actually won the event. Right now it is about 4:36 p.m. So we're wrapping up like a little later than we usually do, but this isn't really a bad time for a race end. So next we just got like the podium finishers, and they award all the awards and all that stuff. All right, so that was the race. After that last clip that you saw there, all we did was tear down the track, and we, you know, packed up our stuff and got ready to go. So right now it's about 5:45-ish. It's not too late in the day. Still got some time to make it back. If there's anything about today's video that you didn't understand, feel free to leave a comment and I'll definitely get back to you. And just let me know what you thought of the video. Hopefully I was able to explain a little bit of kind of what drone racing is and what it looks like for you guys. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.